So there are a couple of key concepts that you need to remember in completing these problems. And the first one is that the number of protons an atom has, that defines what element it is. And so the number of protons, remember, I'm going to write P plus for protons. That is the same thing as the atomic number, and that's what you find on the periodic table. The other thing, the other concept we went over is mass number. Now the mass number equals the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. Okay? So if we take a look, for example, at calcium, calcium has 20 protons. Since its ion has a +2 charge, what that means is it's got 2 more protons than electrons. So therefore the number of electrons is going to be 18. Alright? Now, the last piece of information that we're told is that it has 20 neutrons, which means since it has 20 protons and 20 neutrons, its mass number is going to be 40. Okay? For the next one, this has 15 protons, or an atomic number of 15. Therefore, the element is going to be phosphorus, because phosphorus has an atomic number of 15. Now, phosphorus, since it's got 15 protons but 18 electrons, that means it has 3 more electrons than protons, which means it's going to have a 3 minus charge. Okay? Last thing, since its mass number is 31, but it has 15 protons already, that means it must have 16 neutrons, because 15 plus 16 is 31. For chlorine, chlorine has an atomic number of 17, so it has 17 protons. And since it has a -1 charge, that means it must have 18 electrons, 1 more electron than proton. The last thing, since it has 17 protons and a mass number of 35, what that means is that it has 18 neutrons, since 17 plus 18 is 35. For the last one, it has an atomic number of 50, so this is going to be tin, Sn. Okay? It has 1 more proton than electron, so it's going to have a +1 charge, or I can just write it as plus, that's fine. And since it has a mass number of 119 and 50 protons, what that tells me is that it's going to need 69, because 50 plus 69 is 119, 69 neutrons, and that's all there is to it.